Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So definitely been a very weak month for the euro dollar, pretty much all dollar pairs really. I'm interested to see how this monthly candle closes in a few days. I'm kind of curious to see if it does end up making a big pullback and like a big spike on the bottom. But with this big turn, it does kind of seem like it is more realistic that it is going to go down, retest these lows before it actually does make that bigger move to the upside. Going down to the weekly time frame, it definitely looks like a double three on the weekly. It looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. Normally that will lead to either 1, 2, 3 waves down for like a WXY, or it'll lead to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for like more of an ABC. Either way, let's keep on going with the flow. Going down to the daily time frame, we have to keep in mind that this first move down is most likely not over. Now this could be a wave A of a WXY, so the wave A of Y, or it could be a wave 1 of a downtrend. Trading strategy is exactly the same for wave A or wave 1, which is looking for shorts on shorter time frames until we do get that break of structure. When it finally does break structure, it should make a correction to this move down, which would likely be a wave B or a wave 2, which is exactly the same trading strategy, which is looking for longs on shorter time frames. So let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we definitely do not have that break of structure to the upside yet. So we have to keep in mind that this trend is definitely still down. There's no proof at all that the trend has turned up. This line right here represents the election, which is actually November 6th. This is November 5th, but the election in the US is November 6th, which is only a little over 1 week away. I'm kind of wondering if maybe the dollar pairs are going to be kind of choppy and sideways until the election comes out, because it's really not that far away as of now. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying, the trend is definitely down on a higher roadmap time frames. It kind of looks like this could be some sort of an ABC, so maybe like an A, a B, and if this does end up going up to one of these two Fibonacci levels and then making an aggressive turn to the downside, it definitely could be a wave C, and it could end up just continuing the downtrend. Now with the election only about 8 days away, I think we need to be very cautious on the dollar pairs, because it could be very choppy, just up and down, and no break of structure to the upside, no break of structure to the downside. It could possibly be very choppy until the election. So definitely be a little bit careful on the dollar pairs over the next 8 days until the election. And then I bet there's a pretty good chance that we will get a break of structure to the upside, probably right around that time. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.